Good morning guys, it's me Yerging and welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday and it's November 3. It's really quick guys. So I just did done my live streaming. So if you can see, yes, I did just a live earlier. It's messy here, it's my room. And I want to get my breakfast. I will jump my breakfast and after my breakfast I have to do my school works of course. And before that, we are going to unbox my package. I have received my package today. Yes, I don't know what is this. So we are going to unbox them. So I think I have ordered the tummy trimmer. And what else I have ordered? Wait. I think this is my clothes I've ordered yesterday. It's quite big though. So we have to open this one. Wait, this one is inside. So we have this one. I don't know what's this. It's from the Dayinthe Express. Yes. What's this? Oh, it sounds like I have to exercise. Because I saw that this is for exercising. I haven't exercised. It's been a while. I haven't doing exercise, guys. I feel lazy. Oh, that's cute. That is really cute. What is this? Is this for okay. What is this? Oh, yes. Like that. Oh, it's like a rubber. It's actually worth of 600. No, it's almost plus shipping fee. Like, shipping fee is 121 plus the, what is this? Oh, I love this one. It's really good. So I think it's time for me to exercise. Yes. It's actually buy one take one guys package for only 688 pesos for I found this one in Facebook page and I saw this like you know oh, this interesting. This is, what is this? Jumping rope. So I have to jump like this. Yes. So we have to try them all. It's not that really, I'm not sure. But look at that. It's like a rubber. The rubber the one. Yes, this one and this one. So with this, because I feel myself that I gain weight. Yes, I think I gain weight really. It's I have to start exercising. Yes, I have to start exercising guys. Right, I gain. Wait, so this one is the tummy trimmer. Hello. I don't know how to use this one. Oh, look at that. This is for the tummy trimmer. Alright, so we are going to try here. Like this. I'm really ignorant about this one. Yeah, like that. I put like this. Yes. Instructions right here. You have to follow this one. So I'm gonna try this one. For upper tummy, for lower tummy, for chest and arms, is the exercise to burn calories, for hip and the thighs. Yes, this is quite interesting though. So this is really I bought guys, but it is buy one take one package. So I get this one. It's actually tummy trimmer. Yes. It's quite interesting though. So I have this one. Yes, I have this one right now. Yes, this is, I'm gonna step up right here. Yes, I'm happy. I'm quite happy. I'm gonna try this one. Okay. Oh, that's really nice. That's really awesome. Yes. Tummy trimmer. Yes, I like this tummy trimmer, guys. It's cool. And it's set already. Yes, I like the brownish one. It's like here is a rubber. And just pull it out like this. Even you pull it here. Just one. And you just sit right that. And you just do like that. And it was really awesome. Yes. And I'm interested. Maybe I can start tomorrow in the morning to use this one. It has like this. And it has tummy trimmer. Of course, the tummy trimmer is already here. And it has already also jumping rope, of course, so we can use this and this one. Yes, I think this one. Yes. Oh, let's go. So for this one, guys, it's only 808 pesos for the SF or the shipping fee. So this is buy one take one, and you can have 3 items for your exercise. I know, not 3 items, it's 4 actually. The tummy trimmer, the jumping rope, and this one for your, for your arm, and this one for your tummy, lower and upper, on your thighs and your hips. And you can use this one for only 868. This is only in I found this one in Facebook. Yes, if you're interested, you can just visit this tummy trimmer set package for only 88. So yes, guys, so I'm done unboxing this. So next is we are going to unbox my stuff. So I'm pretty sure you know already this one. This is my selling stuff, of course, so I don't need to explain it to you one by one because you already know what it is. It's like my clothes, what I'm selling online. Yes. Actually, I love this sort of supplier. She is really friendly, very accommodating. This is crazy, guys. I don't know where is my scissor. But yeah, this is $100. Yes, $100. I got this for $100 for 100 pesos. Or 100 pesos. So I have to start to sell this in online. So yeah, I'm gonna get my food, guys. Yes. And yeah, see you later. Hi guys, good morning. It's me, your Ging, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday, guys. So I would love to apologize for not making any videos for the past few days. And I'm busy with my homeworks, of course, my school works, and it's mostly I have to bake or make something. It's about related in hospitality, so I have to bake most of the time. I think 2 menu that will be needed preparatory thing every week, so I have to do many things also. And I'm actually currently right now I'm making my more homeworks, if you can. Yes, and that's how many homeworks I had right there. And I just get shower, guys, and yeah, I am going to show you outside because the labor is currently working the bed and also the divider and the cabinet. So I'm going to show you outside. Wait. Alright, so it's currently working. One labor outside is working the bed. And also, guys, I went to the recipe yesterday and of some stuff for the cabinet and for the divider and the table, so that for like a varnish stuff that I'm going to. So this one, I don't know what is this, clear gloss varnish. Yeah, this is for the wood and some stuff that will be needed. Yes, and yeah. So right now he's still doing the finishing stuff. I'm also selling some mineral water right here, guys. It's 25 pesos per container and some charcoal per sack right there. Alright, so yes guys, I am going to finish my homeworks, my lunch. So today I am going to make a plain soft donuts. So this is actually a school works from school, which is related to hospitality, like I have mentioned earlier. So I am going to show you how to make soap donuts recipe.